So hello, everyone. My name is Tim Deep. I'm the Customer Success Manager for DCKAP. We're excited to have you guys all here. So just want to do a quick thank you to our sponsors. We have BigCommerce, we have Nexus, APS Payments, Avalara, Gorgeous.digital, and Content for Commerce. So, and the DCKAP, we're the host for everything. So the next, I'd like to bring up Rodrigo Neves. He's actually going to show a case study and a little demo on a Magento 2 site. So he's a technology officer for Midland Scientific Incorporation. He's going to be talking about e-commerce transformation from B2B Seller to Magento 2. So thank you.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about our transformation from B2B Seller to Magento 2, and also giving a demo of the website that we are creating and we hope to release in the next few weeks. So talking a little bit about Midland Scientific. So we are serving the industry since 1975. We are a full-line distributor of lab supplies, chemical products, and equipment. We have 7 distribution centers in the United States. Our main customers are on the food and agriculture business, and also we have some customers in the petroleum and environment testing as well. We have around 3,500 customers in North America. Our current e-commerce platform is B2B Seller from Epicor. Right now, we have 20% of our orders that are online. And also, we have a lot of customizations that we did on B2B Seller in the past few years, mainly focusing on B2B. So we have a lot of corporations that require us to make a couple changes to our e-commerce platform, and also sometimes they use punch-out system to integrate directly their ERP with our website. So we had to make a lot of change to B2B Seller. And we have around 400,000 products on our website. So 3 years ago, we decided to purchase a PIM system called Aquino just to manage all the product information, images, and categories for our products. So right now, our products are still created on Python 1, and then we manage the content in the PIM, and we are publishing that information on B2B Seller. And all the information related to orders and the cost account and pricing, it's integrated between B2B Seller and Python 1. So the main challenge that we face with our current website is search. There's a lot of limitations in terms of speed and accuracy. We tried a lot of different solutions in the past, but we still struggle with people who are trying to describe the item that they are looking for, not only typing part numbers. We have a lot of problems when we try to customize the website because we cannot see the website code or have access to it. We rely on Epicor to make all the changes for us, and every time that we try to make a change, it takes a really long time to accomplish it. So also, when we try to make any change to the user interface, we have a lot of limitations on the parts of the website that we can change. And the integration, even being created by Epicor and being both products from Epicor, we still have problems on it. Sometimes the daily process that syncs information between Python 1 and B2B Seller fails, and we struggle to identify what was the cause and troubleshoot it and fix the issues that we have. And every time that we have to rely on support also, it takes a long time to fix the problems or make improvements to the website. So a couple of years ago, we went to the market trying to look for different platforms, and we talked also with different developers. We end up choosing Magento mainly because of the B2B features that they already had on the Commerce Edition. The company structure and the quick order pad are a couple of examples. And also the B2B features that were available, like account management, the promotion and marketing side of it, and also the ability to check out in the different ways. And the other thing also that we were looking for was the flexibility and the possibility to make change and also extend the features of the website. So the marketplace has a lot of plugins that you can install to Magento, and you can even also customize the plugins if that doesn't work for you. So that was the main reason that we chose Magento. And After choosing Magento, we were looking for a developer that could help us to implement our website, and DCKAP was the only one that had experience integrating with Python 1 before. It was something that we were worried about, how we could integrate the Magento with Python 1 and have all the information available on the website. They also had a previous experience developing Magento website, and on top of all of that was the most competitive price that we had. So the new architecture that we are developing for the website is all the product information is still goes from Python 1 to Kinu and from Kinu to Magento. And all the rest of the information related to orders and price and customer, it's all navigating between Python 1, Chorus, and Magento 2. We are using DCKAP Python 1 API that was installed in one of our servers, and that is transferring the information to Chorus, and from Chorus, they're using the Magento API to transfer the information back and forward. So we have developed a lot of features, basically all the features that we had on B2B Seller, plus a couple extra features that we were looking for. So now I'm going to be demonstrating some of these features that we have available. So I'm just going to go to the website. So here is the homepage that we are developing for our new website. So one of the big features that we invest a lot of time was on the customer registration. We were trying to make the process easier for our customers, also trying to automate some of the registration. So the customers have two possibilities, just inserting a completely new company and customer. And also, if they already are an existing customer on Python 1 and they know their information, they are able to register this way as well. Once they have an account with us and they log in, this is one of the first views that they have on their My Account page. So, yeah, here we can see the recent orders that were placed either on the website or on Python 1. We also have some information about our team. So each ship-to ID is associated with a sales rep. So we created a way to display the information from the sales reps that is associated with each customer. And also they can see their address information here on the bottom. And here on the left, we created a lot of portals and a lot of information for them to navigate and have control over their account. So they can see here their orders, and they have options to search for PO number, order number, and also do some filter for completed orders or pending orders, and can access the details of the order. So one example here, if you navigate to an order that is complete, you can access the tracking number, you can see this information of where it's shipping, and see some notes as well, and you have the possibility to request a return from this screen as well. We also create a specific view for back orders. So a lot of our customers, when we don't have the item in stock and we have to supply that item from one of our suppliers, they want to know information about that items. So we create a specific view about all the items that are back order on Python 1. And they have the same possibility of searching for PO number or an order number. And also they have a way to expedite. So if they are interested to get any specific item earlier, they can select the items and click on this expedite button. That's going to trigger an email to our customer service team. There's also the possibility of seeing quotes. They have on the website the possibility of converting a quote to an order. So all the quotes that were created on Python 1 are available on the website, and they can easily just add the quote to the cart and place an order from here. And also we created an option for people to request a quote, so they can either select that items that we already have on the system and submit a request, but also items that are not available, they can just enter here on the search box and add to the request, and we were going to look from our suppliers and try to put that item on our system. And going back to the My Account page, we also created some shopping lists, customized the shopping lists that were available in Magento. So now each customer can manage multiple shopping lists, and they can easily, from this screen, add the items from the shopping list to the cart or to the quote. And they can navigate between different shopping lists, have an option also to export or import a new shopping list as well. There's also some of our customers that want to see all the invoices that they have on Python 1 here on the website. And what we also created, something that was available on B2B Seller, the possibility of paying invoices using credit card. So they can see all the open invoices, select some of them, and select the option to pay by credit card. So they can select one of the credit cards that they have on the system. And if I submit the payment, then this payment is going to be processed on the website, and the information is going to be transferred back to Python 1. So we also have the possibility for them to see the returns. If for some reason they ask us to return an item and we create an RMA on Python 1, we display them the notes that we have for that RMA, and also which specific items were returned, just for them to keep track of the returns that they request us. We also create the ability to see schedule orders. So if on Python we create an order, and for some specific lines we define a schedule for when items should ship, we offer the possibility for the customers to see that information. When is the release date for the item and the release quantity. And also there's the possibility to request a new schedule order, so an email is submitted to our customer service team, and they can enter their schedule order on Python 1. We also create some customized portals just to give them some information about their recent purchase, that show the last items that were purchased and what is the status of this last items, and give also the possibility for them to add the items to the cart from this screen, and also this buying history that just gives some statistics about their purchase history. So it's going to show when was the first time that they purchased the item, the last time that they purchased, and what is the average usage for the items. And here again we have the possibility to search by item ID or description, and they have the option to, from this screen, to add the items back to the cart. So also one of the things that people always request us was the ability to manage their shipping addresses. So from this screen, they're able to just add a ship to address, or just add a new address to the system, and being available to use one of these addresses on the checkout process. We also offer the possibility to manage and store the credit cards that they want to use on their account here. There is also one of the other B2B features that we have available on our website, and some people use, is the ability to quick add items to the cart if they have the part numbers. So here they have the possibility of just typing a part number or multiple part numbers and add items to the cart from this screen here. And one other feature that we have available, and is an important feature, some of our products we cannot sell to all of our customers. Some of them are restricted by DEA, and we need to have a form in our system. So we manage some restrictions on Python 1. And the way that we implement it on the website, we are giving all of our customers the ability to see restricted items. But if for some reason they don't have access to this item, they have an option to request to buy. And after that, our team is going to be in contact with them and just require the proper forms depending on the category of the restriction. Other thing that we are investing a lot of time is improving the search. On our current website, we struggle a lot when people are trying to describe the item, so we have to invest a lot of time in enriching the content for all of our products and different set of attributes. And the way that we're doing, we're giving 2 options for our customers to see their products, either in a product group, where we are grouping different items, for example, different set of beakers varying in size together. And also, when we go to the products page, we have 2 options of products page, either for them to see the group or see the individual item. And here on this product detail page, one of the things that we can see here is that also we have the dynamic price implemented. So for each customers, we are making a call to pick and want to get their individual price for different units of measure. And also we are getting the availability for this product as well to see if we have the item in stock or not. Also continue here under the My Account page as well. We created some custom options for our customers to check out. They can define what are going to be their default ship to address, their default payment method, and default ship to method. And they have an option to just do an instant purchase. So if they have some items already added to their cart, they can just enter their PO number and do an instant checkout from here. So the system is going to use their default ship to address, the default payment method, and just created an order directly with that information. And also, if they are looking just to buy just one individual item, they can use that instant purchase. Just click here, confirm that they have all their default preference at the proper way, and just enter the PO number and make the purchase that way as well. So another feature that was important also to the system was to create a company structure. So we have some of our customers that they have different shoppers under the same company, and each of the users would have a specific purchase limit. And they would also have some managers. So if they're trying to place an order above that purchase limit, the order gets suspended here on the website, and their manager have an option to approve their order. So here's an example where this shopper here that is under this manager is trying to place an order is above their limit. So they have the option from here to just select all the orders and approve, or also go to a specific order, added the information if they need, let's say that they need to change the PO number or change the quantity, or also even change the shipping method. They can do that update here and just approve the order after that. And another feature that was important for our customer service team and also the sales team to help our customers when they are having troubles on the website is the possibility to log in as the customer on the website. So here's an example of the CSR login that they can just navigate through all the customers and log in as one of them. So here I'm going to be showing an example of just logging as one of the customers, and then you can just do a search. And at this way, our CSR team is going to be seeing the same information that the customer is seeing. So if I add an item to the cart here, when I'm logging as the customer, then when I go back to the customer account and refresh the page, the customer is going to be seeing the same information that the CSR was seeing. So they have that specific item added to their cart that the CSR just added. So another great feature that we have available using Claris is the ability to just manage all the information that is being transferred between Magento and P2P. So DCKAP created different pipes to manage different set of information. Here's an example of the order information. So when the order is created on Magento, the order needs to be transferred to P2P. So we have the possibility here to edit the pipes that were created and make changes to the mapping. So one of the things that we had to do, we have different shipping methods available on Magento, and each shipping method is associated with a different carrier ID on P2P. So if at any point we need to add any new shipping method on Magento, we can just come back here to the Claris and just add the new code that we created in Magento and map to the new code that we have available on P2P. So it gives us a lot of flexibility to make changes going forward to our website. So the last slide that I have here, just a summary, is that we are highly satisfied with our new website. We create a lot of custom features. It's fully integrated with P2P, and also we have control over the entire website. Anything that we need to make change, DCKAP has a great team, great developers that can make change to basically all the parts of the website. And we have also a better integration compared to what we had before with B2B Seller and P2P. So our forecast looking for the future is that we're going to be increasing our online sales and especially increasing our customer satisfaction, as they're going to have a lot of more features and a lot of more control over their shopping experience with our company. So now I'm open for questions.
Yep, we do have a couple questions, Rodrigo. So we have the first one from Seth Kuhn, and they're asking, do you have customers who submit POs to you? How do you get them into your system, through Magento or P2P?
So they're going to be able to do from both ways. And if they send us a PO like through email, for example, then we're going to enter that order on P2P, and then that's going to be available for them to see on the website. So no matter the method that they send us the PO, either through EDI or to email or through the website, all the information is still available on the website for them to see.
And a new one just came in from Paul Chasnoff. Is the new site live, or when will it go live?
So we are on the final stage of testing the website and fixing a couple issues, and also optimizing the speed of the website. So it should go live this summer. We don't have a defined date yet, but it's a matter of weeks now to go live.
Okay. And then the last one we have from Praveen. How has the quarantine affected the goals or expectations you have for the website, if any, and how that might translate across to customers?
So yeah, it didn't impact the development of the website. DCKAP, it's doing a great job. They are all working from home right now, and it didn't impact the speed of the development process. We're still on track to our goals, and we're still making progress towards going live. So it didn't impact us on this development process.
Okay, great. Well, Rodrigo, that was a great presentation. Thank you for showing the insights on the Magento 2 side. So it's great to have, for both. Actually, there's one last question. And then after that, if you guys have questions, feel free to still post it on here. We can have Rodrigo answer them, and then he'll be able to type them. But the last question from Eric White: how did you build content for 400,000 items, attributes, etc.?
So it's still a work in progress because we are still daily creating new products to our system and enriching the content. So we have right now around 150,000 products that we call complete. And the rest of the items may have images or some of the product content, but they are still not complete. And Also, we made a business decision of just displaying all the items on the website, no matter if they are have the content complete or not, just because we are looking to give some flexibility to our customers as well. So if they're looking to purchase one specific item online, we are going to make that available for them to purchase, no matter if we have good content or not. So it is a big challenge for us, and we are still working on that, and we're going to keep working constantly.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. It was a great presentation.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.